Hello friends, welcome to the Try the World channel. Let us see the plastic product design training contents. These contents are very helpful to your future plastic product design career, for interview preparation also, and for technical information also. Let's see the plastic product design training. Plastic product design. Imagine a world without plastic. Right from our day begin with toothbrush in your mouth to the day end with night cream packed in plastic bottles. Look on the place you sit right now. You will find plastic everywhere. Plastic have touched every field of life, including home appliances, computers, electronics, automotive, construction, mobile and telecom, consumer product, etc. Plastic play a vital role for mechanical engineers as they closely related to the consumer and automotive product industry, where plastic have replaced many other material due to its numerous benefits. Learning plastic, its application and design are key to make long-term career in industry. These open a broad number of jobs opportunity in industry. And this high-tech catacomb is pioneer in plastic technology and its application. This is a company having 12-year experience in industry. And they provide depth training in plastic product design to industrial professional and young engineers. Let us see course content. First content is material selection criteria. In this material selection criteria, look at the first point is engineering material. If we have material specification, then we can prepare for mold and many other things also. Second is classification of engineering material, means for mold and for plastic product which material is specifically used. That criteria also defined in this chapter. And third is what is a polymer and polymerization. This chapter is included whole things of the polymers and plastic granules and mixing of two polymers and their products. Fourth is classification of product. Classification of polymer means the which kind of plastic granule, and there's like ABS, like PE, polyethylene. They are specifically classified in this chapter. And next is historical background of polymer. They mention also history of all polymers and identification of polycodes, means for plastic material in technical language there are lots of code are mentioned. That study are also mentioned in this chapter. And next is material selection technique. In this chapter, what kind of material selection technique used, which materials is good for which application, that also consider in this chapter. Next is joining techniques for plastic parts. When we have to join the two parts together, and for plastic part also there are lots of joining process. At first is joining techniques, and second is hot plate welding. Hot plate welding means two parts of plastic heated by one hot plate and they are stick together by this welding process. Second is ultrasonic welding. In ultrasonic welding, ultrasonic waves are transferred into these two plastic parts and ultrasonic welding will found. Then vibration welding. two parts vibrated by some processes and welding will happen. And manufacturing process selection. Different manufacturing processes and manufacturing process selection technique. Next is molding defects in plastic parts. Let us see molding defects in plastic parts. Different types of molding defects happen during process of plastic, and how to control plastic part defects through design and processes. And this next is decorative techniques. In decorative techniques, some aesthetic criteria in plastics means what kind of finish and aesthetic criteria they are discussed with this chapter, and decorating process used in plastic. Next is application of plastic in automobile industries. General plastic grades used in industries. Specific application means in this chapter which kind of special application granules or plastic material used in automotive industry. And next is plastic product design and development. In this chapter, design guidelines for plastic, design or smart feature in plastic part, and design for strength, design for rigidity, design for appearance, design for tooling feasibility. Means if we will design the plastic part, then which kind of tool and what kind of concept are used for tooling purpose, and for costing, for less costing also we can consider this all chapters. And aesthetic of component also as per the customer requirement. The next is the projects. In these projects we can practical training also will given in the project training also.